So international interruptions of cargo routes, anything from regular stuff used at the grocery store to something major like disruption in manufacturing of chips. Everything is about to come to an end as we know it. It is absolutely, the probability of this happening simultaneously on 4 fronts just seemed to be highly unbelievable a few months ago. But now, with the results of the Taiwanese election, I think the situation is going to escalate. So instead of showing you a ton of charts, we're going to glance at the world map to help you visualize, because you hear news coming out, hey, it's the Red Sea, it's Taiwan, it's Black Sea, it's so let's just take a look at the map to help you visualize how bad the situation is. So the escalation here in the Taiwan Strait. The reason Taiwan Strait is so important, it doesn't look like a big deal, right? So here's China, okay, here's Taiwan, and in the middle right here is the Taiwan Strait, and it's one of the busiest areas in the world for as far as the shipping route. Everything from semiconductors to oil, to things moving in and out of Hong Kong, to things moving from China going this way, from South Korea, okay, going this way. I mean, there's a lot of things here that make this route one of the busiest shipping routes in the world. Probably 15%, possibly 20%. I don't have the exact stats, but guys, it's a really large number. It's way up there. And so after the elections in Taiwan, I mean, the probability of a peaceful resolution between China and Taiwan, they just dropped, okay? They just dropped like Biden and his ratings been dropping freaking every day. So we're officially at the lows. After this election, the situation here is at the lowest point. And so just the possibility of things escalating is bad enough of a catalyst to where I think we're going to see some major movements. Now, at the same time, this situation is happening, okay, while Kim of North Korea is hitting low points with South Korea. So there's a conflict. It's not on everyone's radar right now, but this relationship between North Korea and South Korea, they're hitting new low points. At the same time, we're hitting new low points right here between China, Taiwan, and of course, US as a result. But in Japan, it's putting its nose here and it's putting its nose here. But bottom line, escalation of conflict and supply chains here in South Korea is another huge chip manufacturer. A lot of computer chips are also made here. I mean, Samsung is there. I mean, you've seen, it's absolutely astounding how Samsung reports a 30-40% drop in profit, and the stock market doesn't even blink on that day. The semiconductor stocks don't even blink. So really bad news from Samsung. The market just totally ignores. But so we got 2 fronts, okay, 2 fronts right here, South Korea, North Korea. We got China, Taiwan. All of that is happening at the same fucking time. At the same time, guys, as what? Well, there's Yemen right here, okay? So this is another shipping route that's of high importance because it makes the travel distance, okay, like if you're shipping goods from India or if you're shipping goods from China, right, to Europe, and vice versa, if you're shipping goods from Europe to India or China or Japan, okay, this is your quickest way. Otherwise, this is the Red Sea route, right? So otherwise, what do you have to do? Well, I mean, if you're from Japan, you want to ship something to Europe, well, shit, now you got to go all the way around here? Fuck, how much more oil is that going to take? Okay, so this disruption, how much more time is it going to take to ship something, or Japan, so, I mean, United States is right here, right? So Alaska is right here somewhere. And so for United States, it's the same thing. It's shipping something to Europe, okay? Now it cannot go through here anymore. It's got to go all the way through fucking here? Well, good luck. So all this translates into, okay, that the whole world is wrong on the inflation because this deglobalization that is happening now at the speed of light, okay, We've got a conflict, okay, South Korea, North Korea right here, escalating. We've got right here, this is Taiwan, okay, it looks so small on this map, right, but major part of major shipping routes. You've got major interruptions right here. Black Sea, guys, okay, so this is Russia, Ukraine, okay, Black Sea, guys, major interruptions, right? Turkey's not allowing certain ships to go in and out, major interruptions in certain commodities like grain, you know, guys, major interruptions out of the Black Sea as a result of Ukraine-Russia conflict, major interruptions now right here, possible interruptions right here, possible escalation of the conflict right here. And this is not everything. Major supply destructions here, Panama Canal, okay? So now you cannot take certain routes here in order to, for example, from California, right? I mean, if you're shipping stuff from California, you want to go through Panama Canal, maybe to come right here quickly to Europe. Well, forget that, okay? Panama Canal drought. Guys, it's happening at the same time. So you got 5 major disruptions, all the key critical shipping routes, okay, they're out of whack. And yet, Biden is pitching lower prices. How are you going to get lower prices if the whole world, all the major important shipping routes are totally fucked up? That doesn't equate to lower prices. That equates to higher prices. And now the same vessels, they have to travel so much further, okay? So forget going here now. Now you got to go all the way here? How much more oil is it going to take to transport the same number of goods? That's the problem with deglobalization. All this political bullshit, okay, is the primary agenda is not the efficiencies of scale. It's not how to transport something somewhere in the most effective way. It's pursuing this bullshit political agenda that creates all of these things. And 5 fronts, guys, that's a lot. I mean, a few months ago, we couldn't even see, okay, Black Sea is a given. This war has been going on, so that's nothing new. It's been 2 years, right? But like at the same time, this is happening, and Yemen, the situation here is escalating, okay? How long is this major shortcut now going to be closed for the rest of the world to transfer goods? Okay, we're on the verge of something major happening right here. At the same time, we've got issues here. Guys, this is wild, and the market has not responded yet. And the main pitch from everyone is, hey, oil prices are going to drop. How the fuck do you see oil prices dropping when all of this shit is happening in the world? So let's glance at the chart of oil. So this is 13mmtv.com, guys. All you gotta do is schedule a call, okay? Talk to a trading coach here at 13 Market Moves. Get your account set up for success, because if you don't, you will miss on some of the biggest trades of this year. And it's not gonna be a Bitcoin call trade. As you know, the greatest trade right now, as far as Bitcoin concerned, is on the put side, and we've nailed it. If you're looking to recover your losses on your Bitcoin calls, well, make sure you set up your account to trade oil calls, because that would be the trade to get you back in the game. Let's roll. Schedule a call right now.